Welcome to Nexus Garden this morning. We've been doing some work. We've been really working hard lately. Look at this pile of bulbs we uncovered. It's amazing. This is about half of what we initially uncovered. Look at the size of some of these things. Look at these. These bulbs are mystery bulbs, which we love. They were so crammed in to this wall right here that we'll show you some before and after pictures of, because this did not look pretty like this recently. It was really kind of funky, and it had so many different daylilies and irises and other things, those bulbs crammed in. So we have slowly but surely created this beautiful new bed. Split up a bunch of irises. Got some zinnias and some sunflowers. Some early morning construction traffic going by too. Some bee balm, milkweed, whatever you want to call it. I love it. It smells so good, and it really brings the different pollinators in. Zinnias. These are all organic, by the way. Marigolds. Big sunflowers, top to bottom. Big sunflowers. And this goes on and on for about 35 plus yards. This tulip poplar is like every other tree just about on this property, absolutely specimen. Up and away. Oh, and I never think I've ever shown anybody this. Across the street from Nexus Gardens is more Nexus Gardens. That's some undeveloped property that we also own across the street, actually in a different city. I'm standing in Cold Spring, Kentucky. Across the street is Wilder, Kentucky. And then literally right here across the street, I'll walk up to it. It's pretty beautiful, actually. We live right across the street from a 34-acre nature trail. Look at this pretty little planting. This is the city of Highland Heights. Put this, so our property literally sits on the border of the other side of the street, I should say. Wilder and Highland Heights. And here's the nature trail. And this is my view every morning from my front porch. I'll turn around and show you my house. That's the tulip poplar we were just looking at right there. Pretty big. It's a view far away of Old Man Cedar. And then if you can see way across the street, because that's about 70 yards away, is my house. And the nature trail's pretty neat. Down at the bottom here, we've got a bunch of picnic tables, nice little spot. Portalet. But it's pretty cool. There's, like I say, 34 acres back here. I've got a little property right down this little hill. Like I was saying, we're now on the other side of the street. You come down this property side right here. I really need my boots on. It's pretty mucky back here, but I'll take a walk in my sandals to the furthest point I can go. There's a pile of mulch down here, literally at the border of Highland Heights and Wilder and my property. And right past this pile of mulch is my property. And it's not much. I only have about 2, maybe, I don't know, 3/10 of an acre back here. So it's, you know, out of 4.5 acres total, it's minimal. But we actually understand years ago it was where the garden was, which is pretty neat. There's a lot of nice trees back here too. Whole lot of nice trees. They just go everywhere. And I'm sorry if this view is kind of shaky on this. I'm not a great camera operator yet, but I'm going to get there. Now as you get up off of our property area and the border area on the nature trail, you walk up, there's this really cool bridge right here. It says Wildlife Trail. Yeah. Walking down up on the trail. Again, it's pretty mucky right now. We've had a lot of rain lately. But poof, spider webs in my face. This just goes on and on. 34 acres. And what's really cool is right to, as we're facing forward, it would be to my right, which is southwest, where my property, I just showed you a little picture of. My neighbor Mike, he has 42 acres that hooks onto this 34. So this land just goes on and on and on around here. This is the beginning of an awesome wall. This wall, and I want you to see the grass here too, because this is going to change very soon. We're actually going to make this into an edible and ornamental garden bed along this wall very soon. I'm going to start working on it probably in about a week. But you can see this wall goes on and on and on. I believe it's about 74 yards long. Here is Nexus Manor. Front view. Place is big, amazing, and awesome. Big front porch, 30 feet. Come around the side. Oh, this maple. I love talking a quick bit about this maple. This maple, which has grown amazingly tall since we've been here for 3 years almost, is actually from Walden Woods. Seedling was brought, sorry, dropped the camera. The seedling was brought from Walden Woods. Pretty amazing. It's a little area. And the reason I'm showing this now, this is kind of a before. This is actually going to get all built up into flower beds here probably by fall. These irises are going to get split, go into an inventory. And a little propane tank.